We often focus on diet and exercise for health, but inside our cells, a molecule called glutathione works tirelessly to protect us. Glutathione is the master antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage our cells and DNA. In the brain, this protection is crucial. Our brains use a lot of oxygen, creating many free radicals as byproducts. Glutathione acts like a janitor, cleaning up these damaging elements to keep our neurons healthy and our minds sharp. Without enough glutathione, brain cells become vulnerable, and neural circuits are exposed to harm. This isn't just about long-term decline, it's about daily brain health. Every thought and memory depends on a stable cellular environment. Glutathione also recycles other antioxidants, leading the defense team that keeps our brains safe. For years, we've focused on neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine in depression, but the story goes deeper. The brain's structural health at the cellular level is foundational to mood and resilience. Glutathione reminds us that mental well-being is deeply tied to our physical cellular health. Understanding this molecule opens a new frontier in mental health research. The real story of depression may start at the most basic level, the health of our brain cells. When free radicals outnumber antioxidants like glutathione, we enter a state called oxidative stress. Imagine a seesaw, free radicals on one side, antioxidants on the other. When the balance tips, oxidative stress damages brain cells. This damage disrupts neuron membranes, garbling communication and affecting memory, focus, and mood. It's like trying to talk in a room full of static. Signals get lost. Oxidative stress wears down the neural circuits that regulate emotions, leading to sadness and lethargy. Glutathione is the brain's main defense against this stress. High glutathione means strong protection. Low levels leave the brain vulnerable. This vulnerability can set the stage for problems like major depressive disorder. The link between oxidative stress and mood is becoming clearer. Protecting our brain at the cellular level is key to emotional health. Glutathione's role is vital in this defense. Scientists have long searched for the roots of depression in emotional centers like the amygdala and prefrontal cortex. But a recent study using advanced brain imaging found something unexpected. Researchers measured glutathione levels in people with depression and healthy controls. They discovered significantly lower glutathione in the occipital cortex, the brain's visual processing center, not typically linked to mood. This was like finding a flat tire when checking the engine. The discovery suggests depression's effects may be more widespread in the brain than we thought. Cellular stress isn't confined to emotional circuits. Depression may impact the brain's overall health and metabolism. The study also examined the medial prefrontal cortex, a region central to emotion and decision-making. Surprisingly, glutathione levels there were normal in both depressed and healthy individuals. The deficit was isolated to the occipital cortex. This suggests oxidative stress in depression isn't brain-wide, but targets specific vulnerable regions. The occipital cortex, with its high energy demands, may be especially at risk. This finding challenges old models and pushes us to consider the whole brain's health. It's a puzzle that could lead to new solutions. Now we can pinpoint a measurable deficit in a specific location. This precision moves us closer to targeted treatments. We're seeing depression in high definition, not just as a blurry picture. This discovery is more than science. It's hope for millions with depression. Current treatments don't work for everyone, but targeting glutathione and oxidative stress opens new possibilities. Boosting the brain's natural defenses, perhaps with antioxidant therapies or supplements like N-acetylcysteine, could be a game changer. Lifestyle choices, antioxidant-rich diets, exercise, stress reduction can also help. This research shows what's good for your body is good for your brain. We're moving toward personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to unique brain chemistry. The brain is resilient, and understanding its cellular workings brings new ways to heal. The future of depression treatment is bright, rooted in the science of the brain.